friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make salmon in the air fryer. It's going to be super easy and super quick. Now, I'm making my salmon with a salad, but please feel free to make whatever you want to go with it. And thank you guys for hanging in there with me while I push out all this healthy content. I know a lot of us are wanting to reset after 2020, especially since it's been a hot freaking mess. So hang in there with me. Once February rolls around, I'll start including savory snacks, things that probably aren't that healthy, but we can make it healthy. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Hey. Okay, y'all, so today's ingredients will include, I picked this up from Whole Foods. It's some mango coconut marinated salmon, and then I have arugula, some cherry tomatoes, mushrooms. Now, of course, you can use your toppings of choice, and then, of course, my favorite, the chili onion crunch oil from Trader Joe's. Now, it may look like a lot of arugula, but I'm actually going to make my salad in the pan, so you'll see. Alrighty, y'all. Go ahead and put your salmon inside the air fryer. So my salmon is pretty thick, as you can see here, especially this guy. With that, let's do 350 at 10 minutes to start, and if we need to add another 2 minutes, we can adjust. Since I'm doing a side salad, I'll go ahead and show you how I make it. I don't really like eating raw spinach or arugula anymore. I just prefer it much more if it's already a little bit cooked. So go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high. And then I'll let the pan heat up a little bit and I'll add a bit of this. Now, if y'all don't have this chili oil, you could always do just olive oil and some garlic. Now, because I'm using mushrooms, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in first just to let the water cook out of them. Okay, let that cook for about a minute or two. All right, and then go ahead and add in your arugula, and you'll see that this is actually not as much as it looks. Plus, I have to use all of it before it goes bad because this year I refuse to keep throwing away dead spinach and vegetables. We got it, y'all, we got it. I'm gonna toss in a little bit more of that because flavor. Okay, so about this point, once you see that your arugula is starting to well and your mushrooms are starting to brown, I'm gonna go ahead and toss in my cherry tomatoes. And I've also turned my heat down to 2 or low. I suppose that's what it is. Honestly, I have found that by making my salads like this, it has helped me incorporate more vegetables and whatnot into my life because it's delicious. So go ahead and turn off your pan. Beep. Alrighty, y'all. So this is what it looks like, and that was at 350 for 10 minutes. Okay, so my thicker piece, there's still some parts that are uncooked, which is fine. And that guy's the same. I'm not surprised since they were thicker pieces. So go ahead and pop them back in for an additional 2 minutes at 350. After 2 minutes, it did the trick. Okay, and then our piece here. Delicious. Okay, friends, and there you have it. Salmon in the air fryer. Super easy, super quick, and also healthy. Duh. Tell me down below, is there any other healthy recipes you guys want me to give a try? We'll end January off with a bang. Until next time.